Okay, so I want to go over the economics, you can call it that, for the rank and rent model. So let's say we have one website that's ranking just for either, there's two options, that the website is ranking for one keyword or let's say 10 keywords. This keyword is around 500 searches per month, 500 to 1,000 searches per month, and these 10 keywords are around 50 to 100 searches per month. Okay, so this basically boils down to 500 to 1K searches per month. Okay, then inside this website you have multiple location pages. Let's say we have 3 location pages, 1, 2, and 3, and each one of these is ranking number 1. Let's go with this example right here. Let's see, we have 10, I guess, and each one of these is ranking number 1 for a certain keyword. Let's go on the low end. Let's say each one of these gets 50 searches per month. Okay, this one gets 50, this one gets 50 as well, this one gets 50 searches per month as well. If you have more pages, they all get 50 searches per month as well. Let's say then, let's assume that out of these 50, so with 3 pages, that's 150 searches per month. Let's say that if we're first, around, let's do 40% of the clicks go to us. So that's again on the low end. So that's 60 clicks per month for 3 pages. And let's say that out of those 60 clicks, only, let's say half of the people convert. So out of all those 60 people that click, and let's say this is, for example, a plumbing site. So out of all those people that click these pages, only 30, so only 50% actually call the business. So we lose instantaneously 50% of the people, which is not common at all. But let's say they go to the site, they don't find the call us button, or they don't send an email or whatever, they just disappear. So 30 people actually call the business, and let's say out of those 30, 15 call. So we lose another, sorry, don't call it, but convert. So we lose another 50%, sorry. Okay, 50%. So we get 15 customers with these 3 pages. And our niche is plumbing, but it could be something like a plastic surgery clinic where the value per lead is much higher, or a dental clinic, but let's go with a somewhat lower value per lead. Let's do plumbing, which we can just double check the price range for plumbing services. On average, it looks like it is, let's do 300 on average. We get 15 times 300, that's 4,500. So that's $4,500 per month, okay, with just 3 pages. Okay, so what you can do now, and this is where the economics start to kick in, is you can rent each one of these pages for $500 each. So this one rents out for 500, this one as well, this one as well. So you're making $1,500 a month with just one site, with just 3 pages. And you can make this because you're getting them twice as much or even more. So imagine that you have a bunch more pages, a bunch more locations, a bunch more of these. They can even be like 10 searches per month. They don't even need to be 50. They can be like 5. If you have a bunch of pages with 5 searches per month, if you add all of this up, you'll get a bunch of searches per month. And keep in mind, this is in the plumbing niche. There are niches that are so much more profitable. You have plastic surgery, like I was saying, you have dental clinics, anything related to health, the value per lead is much, much higher. So I just wanted to come on here and help you visualize how this can work and how you can make money with the rank and rent model. So I hope you liked the video. I will see you in the next one.